Start by choosing thick, bone-in pork chops. They hold moisture better, making them juicier. Pat the chops dry with paper towels to help with even browning. Generously season both sides with salt, pepper, and any herbs you like. Rosemary or thyme work great. Next, preheat your pan to medium-high heat and add a tablespoon of oil. When the oil is shimmering, place the pork chops in the pan. Sear for about 4 to 5 minutes on each side until they develop a deep golden crust. Resist the urge to move them around too much. Let the heat do its work. After both sides are beautifully seared, lower the heat and add a knob of butter, some garlic cloves, and fresh herbs if you want extra flavor. Tilt the pan slightly and spoon the melted butter over the pork chops. This technique is called basting, and it keeps the meat moist and flavorful. Now, use a meat thermometer to check the internal temperature. You're aiming for 145 degrees Fahrenheit, 63 degrees Celsius at the thickest part. Once that's achieved, remove the pork chops from the pan and let them rest for about 5 minutes. Resting allows the juices to redistribute throughout the meat, making it more tender. And there you have it, a perfectly cooked, juicy pork chop, full of flavor and ready to enjoy.